best part about living in Denver is the people. People are friendly. It's a city with a small town attitude. I'm Liam Gunderson. I'm a Denver, Colorado illustrator doing weird stuff in art and having fun. I've been an artist for as long as I can remember. It was like never a question. I was really influenced by my mother. She did a lot of graphic design out there, but she also did like all this heavy metal artwork, like chicks floating like bubbles over space, or like holding a lion's head or something. And I just kind of wanted to be like mom in that sense. So the mediums that I use in my work: pencil just for like the outline sketch. Sometimes I'll use fabric dye, and then I use watercolor and gouache. It's mostly about just like building color and detail layer after layer after layer. There's a lot of things that influence me, and it's really hard to place them. I really have a love towards a historic reference and the way that people took photos and how things were displayed. I collected so many old National Geographic books from like the 50s and 60s. I describe the females in my paintings, they're little warriors of this army that's for nothing, kind of. If I had to put my art into a genre, I'd probably say it's pop surrealism. Just like silly and weird and uncomfortable, but also beautiful and pretty. And I like writing that line. I've always liked that balance between like light and dark, or like one overshadowing the other. Like when it's a happy song, but it's about really sad things, that's what my art's like. Using my imagination in my artwork is sometimes a hard thing to tap into. But sometimes it just like comes like a shock. Like I'll be like walking home from work one night and I'll just like see it in my head. But the thing that you see in your head is never what comes out onto paper. It's interesting how it develops, and I really love the process of it. And I love not knowing what the piece is going to look like until I'm finished with it, because it makes me anxious and excited. I think the difference between somebody who's an artist and somebody who likes to draw is that it's not a hobby, it's a passion. It's something that you can't not do. It's something that overflows from you and like vomits out of you, and you've got to do it for your sanity. It's like crucial to you, you know? I can't imagine not being able to paint, and it's like, you know, it's very selfish in a lot of ways, but I paint for me, and it's something that fulfills me. And if people like it, that's just an added bonus. I was always the weird kid growing up. I was so awkward and just so into my own world. Yeah, I embraced the awkwardness a lot. I was all about it, just weirding people out. I still am. I love making people uncomfortable. Anytime I can be my weirdest, I'm at my happiest.